Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how to start affiliate marketing and become an expert. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So let's get right into the video and how you can start affiliate marketing and become an expert. So the very first thing is that you need to understand that it will take work, because a lot of people don't understand this. People think that affiliate marketing is just anything they can make money online like today, right now, and be really good at it and make millions. But that's actually a lie. A lot of people like to sell you that idea that you can make 6 figures in 6 days or whatever, but that doesn't exist. It does not work like that. You really need to understand that it will take some work and it will take some time. So after that, you need to actually make a decision to create success. Don't give yourself an option. If you give yourself an option, or I'll try this, or maybe I'll do this, I'll try this for a week and maybe it will work. No, it doesn't work like that. You actually have to make a decision, decide that you can actually do this and that you will do this. And you will do that every single day, because the other thing that it will take is discipline. If you don't make yourself do something, then you will not be able to do that. I really like doing these videos. I really like helping people out and doing all these things. But sometimes I don't feel like doing it. And that's the point of it. If you go by the feeling that you have that you don't want to do it today, or you do it tomorrow because today you feel too tired or whatever, that is what will make the difference of you losing versus someone that will just go there and feel tired but do it anyway, might not feel like it but do it anyway. You see, I've been putting out like daily videos for the last few months, and sometimes it is not that easy, but I decided that this year I was going to put a video out every single day. No matter what it will take, I will do that. So that's what it takes. It really takes discipline for you to actually create success, because otherwise it will be hard. Now, just like I've been saying, don't create one piece of content. You don't want to create a video and just wait for it to happen and get a ton of leads, which we'll get into the step by step. But you really want to create a piece of content, whether it's on YouTube or blogging. Most of the time you can do it in other ways as well. But you don't want to just create that piece of content and hope that somebody will buy from you. It doesn't work like that. People need to have someone that they can trust, and you need to build that trust by making more and more content. So as soon as you finish one piece of content, then you can promote it or whatever, do everything that you want. But you really need to stop worrying about views and just get on to the next video. And once you made that next video, you make the next one and the next one, and just go from there. And you don't really need to worry about the views, especially that you won't get that many at first. But you really want to focus on growing and growing on growing. You really need to create some value. So what do you know? What you like? Because that is what you're going to create your content on. Maybe you don't know something that well, but you really like something. You're really interested in something, so you're going to learn and you're going to implement it and you're going to teach it. Maybe you know something really well. Maybe you've been doing something for a long time. Maybe you've been cooking, maybe you've been sewing, maybe you've been doing all sorts of different things, and that's what you need to create something on. The next thing is you need to build an email list. If you don't build an email list, that is going to be like the worst thing, because Some people do make a bit of money, like just putting affiliate links in the description, but they don't really have a business. Building an email list is going to be the lifeblood of your business, because that will enable you to send emails, and that will enable you to have your own clients and like sell something to them and sell other things to them. As soon as you made that first sale, you can also make that second sale, and you can also use that email list to send people to your next piece of content, which will make it explode, and therefore you will gain more subscribers, more people on your email list, and therefore more sales. So building an email list is extremely important. If you are really dedicated to that, you absolutely need to do that. If you're wondering what's the best and cheapest way to do it, then I have a link in the description on how to create a capture page. So you can click on that and make it happen, because that is something like any online marketer will tell you, that building an email list is the core of your business. Like, that's the most important thing, apart from getting your actual clients on there, or potential clients. So building an email list is something that you really need to do. Now with that email list, you're going to send value and offers to that email list. Just like I said, you're going to sell people some things, but you're also going to gain some trust. You're going to help them out. You're going to tell them what they need to know, like not just on your YouTube videos or on your blog, but you also need to give them some value in their emails. So that is something that you really need to do, because that will build trust, that will build sales, and that will build income for you. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you smash the subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every time I put a video out, which is every single day. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.